Hola chicos! We're continuing now our Doordash journey. How to make money on Doordash, the best tips and tricks that I've learned over the past 2 days Doordashing, and anything else that I'm going to figure out tonight making money on the Doordash platform. Doordash is all about being presentable. It really is. Got my friend here, the lint roller, which is gonna help me to get rid of the doggy hair. So you can see this is very effective. This is my third day as a DoorDasher, and I have already learned so much from observation, from not making a lot, and it's an incremental improvement process, meaning you're not gonna get perfect. You're not gonna be perfect the first day. You improve incrementally, and it's the same mindset, the same process that I usually use in my digital marketing business that also helps me to further increase the amount of money that I make per mile on DoorDash, that I make more money per hour. That's what matters. And this is something you have to set as a goal because it's a competitive platform. There are more people doing it. And as the time passes, we're going to see a flood of new people coming into this freelancing opportunity, and probably it's gonna get a little bit tighter for us. All right, I got the first order of the night. It's ready. Only took me 10 minutes to come here and get this order. So now I'm gonna deliver it to the customer. Yo guys, what is going on? I just got my second order, which pays me $5 for a 1.2 mile delivery. That's not bad at all, and it's actually in the direction I'm heading. So I declined 3 other orders in a row, and then I got this one, and it was a no-brainer. I'm gonna take it. This will probably take me like 15 minutes. I don't think much more than that, maybe even less, to go to the restaurant, pick up the food, and deliver it to the customer. This is exactly what we're looking for. This was a really quick one. It was like 15 minutes, and I paid $5. Definitely worth it. Definitely worth it. I wanted to show you some of the orders that I rejected and point out why I rejected them. Here's an order from McDonald's, 5.4 miles, and it only pays $3. Now that's the base pay DoorDash offers, meaning the customer did not enter a tip. So there's a couple of things I don't like here. First of all, the customer did not enter a tip. Secondly, it's too many miles for the amount I'd get paid. So I would earn a little bit over 50 cents per mile. And free, it would take me away from my desired location, my desired area. So not a good deal. Here's another one, very similar, only pays the base pay and it takes me away from the area. This order will take me too far away from my desired area, so I'm not gonna accept it either. It's not bad in terms of pay, it pays $1 a mile, but it will take me a lot of time to get back to where I am right now. I'm not gonna accept it. Now that I've given you examples of bad orders that I did not accept and that you should also not accept, let me give you examples of good orders that make sense. Here's an order request by Zoe's Kitchen, 1.2 miles, pays $5, probably takes me 5 to 15 minutes to complete. So guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna accept this one. Chipotle. You're never gonna get a bad order from Chipotle. Well, could happen, but anyway, here we have again an order. 1.5 miles total, pays $7, which is a tremendous amount per mile. It's like $4 something per mile, and of course I'm gonna accept it because it will probably take me, again, 15 minutes to deliver, so why wouldn't I? Siempre natural. 1.2 miles, pays $9, should be completed in less than 30 minutes. An order from Popeyes, 1.9 miles, pays almost $10. I don't see how you can say no. We're continuing now our DoorDash journey at 9:30 a.m. on Tuesday. I know I'm late. He estado un poquito cansado. Necesito dormir más. I was a bit tired and I had to sleep more. I needed 8 hours of sleep, really did. Looks like they've put too many dashers on the road today. I've been waiting for about 10 minutes and I've gotten 0 orders. That's not good. But I mean, I'm in a hotspot zone. However, that itself doesn't guarantee orders. There's more supply than demand. You know what's going to happen. You get squeezed. I made the decision to get out of the hotspot, and within like 1 minute, I got an order. It pays not to follow the mass. We completed our first dash, and it paid us a grand total of $14. To be honest with you, it's been a pretty slow day because I placed myself in a hotspot zone with too many other dashers, and that's really good. But I had no idea that this was going to happen. I thought it would serve me well, but you can't be right every single time. Here are 5 things that I want you to be aware of before you accept any order. 1. Mileage. The amount of miles needed to complete the order. If you need to travel 15 or 20 miles to complete a $14 or $15 order, it may not be worth it. On the other hand, if an order pays you $10 for 2 or 3 miles, you probably want to take that one. 2. Client location. Whether your client is at an apartment, hotel, house, office, hospital, should matter. Because if you need to go into like an office building or a hospital, it will take you much longer to deliver the order. Whereas if you just dropped off the order in front of a house, which only takes maybe 30 to 60 seconds. This is something you need to consider. I have had orders where I had to walk into an office building or a hospital, and it took me way longer than an order I just dropped off right in front of the customer's house. 3. How can you pick up the order at the restaurant? Does the restaurant have a drive-thru? Does the restaurant have curbside parking? Do they bring the food out? Do you have to go in? Do you have to stand in line to get the food? How long does it take the restaurant to have the food ready? The less time you spend waiting for the order, the more time you can spend on getting new orders. You will make more money. 4. Will the order take you away from your desired area, or will it keep you within your desired area? This is important because if an order, even if it pays a lot, takes you way outside your area and you have to come back in, you're going to need more time, you're going to need more gasoline, and you're going to put more miles on the car as well. You need to consider everything. Tip number 5, stay outside the hotspot zone. Sounds completely counterintuitive because it tells you that a lot of orders were placed within the zone, but you also have to think how other dashers think. Other dashers think the hotspot zone is the zone where I get most of the orders because that's where people ordered in the past. But if more dashers are at the zone than orders, the whole thing collapses. So try to get orders outside the hotspot zone. I really hope that this video gave you a lot of useful information that you can now implement in your own DoorDash journey, and that you will be able to maximize the amount of money that you earn per mile. I see you on the next video.